What's up, everybody? So today we are going to get cracking on taking this apart, just draining this, taking it out, and then seeing how much of this is really rusted through and damaged. See if I can't just weld it up real quick. The only part I'm seeing is this hole right here, which is pretty big, but I can just weld a little plate over that. Not a big deal. Hey, buddy. And then I'm gonna have to order a timing belt kit. I don't have to, but one of these tensioners is not doing its job, as you can see there. So I don't want to start this thing. That's another reason why we towed it over here and didn't try to drive it. But it does start, so I'm gonna have to get that timing belt kit, probably do the water pump, all that good stuff. Trying to get these lug nuts off, and I was having a hard time with this one. A 19 wouldn't fit over it, and a 20 was too big. And then I saw this little slot. So it's a keyed nut, and it's just a weird size. But luckily, I found this in the glove box. So thank God I didn't lose that. Didn't get separated from the car. So. But definitely gonna swap these out because these are the just aluminum lugs, and I've had very bad experience with these. They tend to strip out if you over tighten them like at all. So we got Edgar here detailing up the interior. I'm gonna start taking out the seats here so we can hit the carpet. Looks like he's already done a little bit, but this is already cleaning up really nice, man. The steamer, this is the thing, make sure it don't come back. Hell yeah.
So this shit is done. We should have probably took a video beforehand with all the mold.
We can do the other seat.
Yeah.
This is a quick process though, damn.
Yeah, it's not bad. Cut. Once you get the machine set up and they warm up and do what they're supposed to do, it's not that long.
Yeah, that mold. This one doesn't look as bad as the other one, but still.
Trying to concentrate on this plastic.
Does mold like to stick to like the leather or?
Yeah, to this stuff.
Yeah.
Here you won't be able to tell, well, unless it's like really bad.
Mm-hmm.
But that's why we have to expect it.
And then I got some of this heat wrap off, but I don't think this is gonna be savable. It's pretty crusty under here. And next, doing the rear, the interior. And this is basically the same process, right?
Yeah, same process.
Okay.
Just put chemicals and agitate, and then extract, and then come down and steam it down for like parts like this.
Yeah.
Just for safe measure.
Damn, yo. The interior was the big thing that was like kind of making me more afraid of this car, because I've never dealt with mold personally, and he is cleaning it up like crazy good, man. Like, it looks like a brand new fucking car in there. I don't think the video is gonna do it justice. I'm excited. Now that the interior is sorted out, like I said, that was the big thing, and now I want to finish it. I just want to work on this thing non-stop, get it done, get it out of the garage and drive it, get it JCI'd. What you doing, bro? It's not even our car, man. But yeah, dude, I'm so excited for this car. I got one person that that recognized the car. He said it's an old drag car. Used to race it down in Hachinohe, which is another city over, and he said it's real fast. So we'll see. Oh, Benjamin, come here. Come here. All right then. This is my dilemma right here. I'm taking off the header and the exhaust, but it hits right there. I'm not gonna be able to take it off without taking off this little center support. I'm gonna have to drop this to get this off, because this is gonna have to come off and get replaced. Because it's looking pretty bad. Ooh.
That's what came out of your interior, bro.
God dang, dude. That's gross, man.
Yeah, I told you, bro.
I sat in that car.
Reference. That was.
So that's what it did look like. And then over
That's
there
the
was what
clean-
came out.
the clean stuff. The only one that is bigger problem is the passenger side on the floorboard.
Yeah.
Like you see, I hit it again.
You went over it twice?
Yeah.
Pretty gross.
But it's fucking gross, dude. Like,
That's weird, the
probably if
passenger
it-
side.
If it had to, we could let it dry, and then if it looks nasty again, we hit it again.
Okay.
Because right now it's not extracting anymore.
Okay. Should I like leave a fan in there? Just like
would.
circulating?
Yeah.
Okay, overnight or something? Okay.
Yeah, like all the seats and stuff like that, they're probably like already dry to the touch.
Okay. Yeah, I got the other one over there. It's sitting in the sun.
Yeah, they dry pretty fast, bro.
Okay. Yeah, I'll leave the fan in there overnight.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Like it'll change. Like this way it'll look dirty.
Yeah.
But once it dries up, it'll be alright.
Oh yeah, man. You did a killer job, dude.
Right here, bro.